How to open a real account on Metatrader 5. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to open a real account on Metatrader 5. In order to do this procedure, first of all, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. In order to create your Metatrader, you'll have to visit the broker's website and locate the account registration section. Provide your personal details including your name, email, and contact info. Due to some security concern, I'm unable to show you the procedure, so just make sure to follow the instructions. After you're done providing your information, then you have to go and select the account type. Select the type of Metatrader account you want to open, and the broker offers various account type with different features and trading conditions as well. Accordingly, follow the prompts and you'll have to verify your account as well. After that, you've successfully created your real account on Metatrader 5. So that's how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.